So in this question, you're asked to integrate e power 2x times x by 1 plus 2x whole square. So here, as you can see, you have e power 2x. So mostly the formula that might be useful is e power kx times k f of x plus f dash of x. That is, with f of x, you need to have an extra 2. So let us try to simplify this integral. E power 2x is separate. So now x can be written as 1 plus 2x minus 1 by 2, right? So 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, 2x by 2 is x. And divided by 1 plus 2x whole square dx. So what is the use of writing the given expression like this? Now let us separate these two. So 1 plus 2x is one term and 1 plus 2x whole square minus 1 is the next term. That is equal to half times integration of e power 2x times 1 by 1 plus 2x minus 1 by 1 plus 2x whole square dx. So now one of the function has to be 2 times f of x, the other function has to be its differentiation. So if I take this 1 by 1 plus 2x as f of x, so what is the differentiation of this? F dash of x is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus 2x whole square times 2, right? Because 1 plus 2x is differentiation is 2. So if I take 1 by 1 plus 2x as f of x, this is f dash of x by 2, right? So if I take this as, if I take f of x as 1 by 2 times this, 1 by 2 times this, f dash of x will be this by 2, these two are getting cancelled. So this will be exactly equal to f dash of x. So I'll take this as f of x. So this integration becomes integration of half times e power 2x times. So if I take 1 by 2 times 1 plus 2x as f of x, so 1 by 1 plus 2x will be 2 times f of x. And this expression will be equal to f dash of x plus f dash of x dx. So this will be equal to half times e power 2x times f of x plus c is the answer. So f of x is this. So you have 1 by 2 e power 2x into 1 by 2 times 1 plus 2x plus c. That is equal to e power 2x by 4 times 1 plus 2x plus c is the integration of this function. So whenever you have e power kx, you should think about how to get a k with f of x. So instead of f of x, you need to have 2 f of x. So you need to think of f of x in terms of getting this 2 outside.